Students, I'm discussing about classification of nitro compounds. Okay, nitro compounds are divided into three main types: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Okay, so you can see basing on the position of nitro group attachment to certain carbons, it is divided into three main types. So you can see here in this compound are CH2NO2. So CH3NO2 actually nitroalkane, and around this one hydrogen is replaced with R. R indicates alkyl group. If one hydrogen is replaced with any other alkyl group, then it is called primary alkyl group. So to primary alkyl group, NO2 is attached, so it is called as a primary nitroalkane. And you can see in this compound, two hydrogens are replaced with R alkyl groups. So if two hydrogens around C are replaced with R or alkyl group, then it is called secondary alkyl group. To secondary alkyl group, NO2 is attached, hence it is called secondary nitroalkane. And next you can see third one, around C there are three hydrogens replaced. Three hydrogens are replaced with R group, then it is called as a tertiary group. To tertiary group, then O2 group is attached, so it is called tertiary nitroalkane. And for these three we are giving three examples now. You can see here CH3, CH2, CH2 and O2. Okay, here primary carbon is present, hence it is the primary nitroalkane. And the name of the compound is, you already know the IUPAC naming, 1 2 3. So to one first carbon NO2 is attached, so one nitro, three carbons are present, hence it is a propane, one nitropropane. This is a primary nitroalkane. You can see the secondary one here. To the secondary one, two hydrogens are replaced with two methyl groups. So to the second carbon NO2 is attached. So 2 nitropropane. Okay, next coming to this one. Around C, three hydrogens are replaced. Okay, three hydrogens are replaced with three methyl groups. In place of R, here you can observe the methyl groups. Okay, three methyl groups are replaced around C. Hence it is a tertiary nitroalkane. And I'm giving the numbering from here: 1 2 3 branched chain. So to the second carbon methyl group is attached, so according to alphabetical order, methyl will come first, 2 methyl, 2 nitropropane. Okay, this is a tertiary nitroalkane. Next, coming to the structure. The structure is a resonance hybrid of these two forms. You can write this form in this way or this way, same meaning will come. And the bond length between the nitrogen and oxygen in these two bonds is 121 picometers. Okay, this is about structure. Next, coming to the concept of tautomerism. So what is meant by tautomerism? Tautomerism actually a process where proton transfer takes place within a molecule or intramolecular arrangement of the proton. Intra means within a molecule, the proton will get transferred. That process is called as a tautomerism, and such type of structures which are resulted by the process of tautomerism are called tautomers. Okay, now you can see alpha hydrogen containing compounds are exhibits this process called tautomerism. So that means you can see mainly primary and secondary alkanes consists of alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen means the hydrogen which is present beside the functional group. So this is a functional group in these compounds. If hydrogen is attached to the next carbon, that is called alpha hydrogen. Alpha is the next position of the functional group. So here primary and secondary consists of hydrogens, but tertiary does not consist of hydrogens. Hence, primary and secondary nitroalkanes exhibits the process called tautomerism. So now you can see here the hydrogen is undergoing, I'm taking this structure, that is nitromethane. Okay, so in this methane hydrogen is present, it's a primary nitroalkane. This hydrogen is shifting here. So when I shift this bond, oxygen gets negative charge, nitrogen gets positive charge. Already positive charge is present on nitrogen. And when I shift this bond, actually this bond is shifting this side, hydrogen is coming out. Okay, H plus form, and it is giving the negative charge to this CH2. So this minus and this plus forming the double bond here. And whatever hydrogen is leaving here, here negative charge is present, hydrogen is coming in the form of H plus, and it goes and attacks on this negative charge. So we are getting OH here. So hydrogen from here is shifting to this place. So intramolecular arrangement is taking place in the structure. Hence, both 1 and 2 comes as a tautomers, and they are exhibiting the tautomerism process. So within a molecule, proton rearrangement is taking place. Okay, so all nitroalkanes like a primary and secondary exhibits a process called tautomerism. Next, coming to the preparation methods of nitroalkanes. Okay, nitroalkanes can be prepared through various methods. Firstly, I'm taking a vapor phase nitration of alkanes. So here vapor phase indicates a gas formation. So here now we'll take the alkane and nitric acid in the form of gas, and that gas is passed through a metal tube, narrow metal tube at 400 degrees centigrade. Okay, we are passing these two gaseous mixture through a narrow metal tube at 400 degrees centigrade. Then we will get a product, that is nitroalkane, along with water as a byproduct. Okay, so you can see here H and OH are coming out as a byproduct, and R and NO2 combining to form a nitroalkane. Next, if you are taking the higher alkanes and you are mixing with nitric acid at 400 degrees centigrade, and you will get two or more nitroalkanes as a byproducts, as a main products. Now you can see ethane. Ethane I'm taking then the gaseous gas form, and nitric acid also in the gas form. Both are mixed and passing through a narrow metal tube at 400 degrees centigrade. I'm getting the nitroethane and nitromethane as a product. Remaining OH and H combining and forming as a byproduct, that is water. Here nitroethane is the main product, that is a major product, and 73%. Nitromethane as the minor product, which is 27%. Now I'm coming to second method, that is from alkyl halide. From alkyl halides also we can prepare the nitroalkanes. So I'm taking ethyl bromide, which is alkyl halide, on reacting with silver nitrate. This silver nitrate should be dissolved in ethanol and added to the ethyl bromide. We'll get nitroethane 80% and ethyl nitrate 20%, along with silver bromide as a product. So you can see nitroethane. So this is a substitution reaction completely. Here CH3CH2 is reacting with NO2 and Ag is reacting with Br. Both are undergoing substitution reaction and forming AgBr as byproduct and nitroethane as a main product. And along with nitroethane there is a ethyl nitrate, that is a minor product, 20%. Okay, so ethyl nitrate, nitroethane will have same chemical formula, but the linkage will be different. Here C is linked with N and here C is linked with O. Okay, both will have a same chemical formula. We can say that they are linkage isomers also. Okay, this is the second method. Coming to third method. Third method is from alpha halogenocarboxylic acid salts. So alpha position beside the functional group, whatever position is that is called alpha. So here CH2 is the alpha position. So to this chlorine is attached. So it is alpha halogeno. So halogens means what you know already: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. They are all 7A group elements, comes under halogens. So Cl is attached to alpha position. So alpha halogeno, and carboxylic acid chemical formula is COOH. Here COOH is replaced with Na plus. Okay, COO minus Na plus. It is a salt formation. So alpha halogeno carboxylic acid salt on reaction with sodium nitrite, when we are boiling these two, okay, when we are boiling these two, we'll get a product, intermediate product here. And you can see this is also substitution reaction. Cl is substituted by NO2. Okay, and now Cl is combining with Na and coming out as a byproduct. And now you can see one more thing: when you are doing the hydrolysis to this intermediate product, we will get nitromethane as a main product. So here I'm doing the hydrolysis, H this side, OH that side. So CH3NO2 as a main product and NaHCO3 as a byproduct. So nitromethane as a main product in this reaction. So this is a third step, that is a third method of preparation. Next, coming to fourth method, that is from tertiary alkylamine. So even you can prepare the nitroalkanes from tertiary alkylamines. So from tertiary alkylamine we can prepare the tertiary nitroalkanes. Okay, I'm taking the tertiary butylamine. So there are four carbons, so I'm naming this as a butyl. So around carbon all hydrogens are replaced with CH3, so it is a tertiary functional group, tertiary butylamine. On undergoing the oxidation, oxidation in the presence of KMnO4, we will get main products, that is 2-nitro-2-methyl-propane. Okay, this is tertiary nitroalkane, and water as the minor product. Here you can say one more thing, that here hydrogen is replacing with oxygen in this reaction. Okay, so this reaction is a oxidation reaction. So these are the methods of preparation of nitroalkanes.